Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's micros market recap. It is Wednesday, March 1st, 4 p.m. Eastern at the close of New York. Let's take a look right into micro oil. So oil opened gap down from its range yesterday. Recall it opened a gap up, never got back to its close. Well, now we opened a gap down, had a little bit of a run up, found resistance around that HVA edge, came down, found some support, blew through it, and then had major support kick in on that HVA edge. Remember, these levels, if you haven't been following us, are drawn the night before. They are not drawn throughout the day. They are not drawn intraday. They are drawn the night before. So we had at least one opportunity in oil. We are finishing net positive for the day, as we did get above the close from the day prior. As far as gold goes, it was pretty sideways for the most part. We did have that news that kicked in that you see here, and then you can see the response at these HVA edges. Quite a bit of response, both on the support and resistance side for them, but ultimately it was just flatlined. In terms of where we are closing, gold is technically up from the close yesterday. As far as our equities go, we are down. We opened ES. NASDAQ, I know, opened in balance. ES, I think, was ever so slightly gapped down. Yeah. So we were gapped down ever so slightly in the ES. They fought that range low for quite a while, a good 15 minutes before they broke up. News actually helped with that volatility, and then the 10 o'clock news came as well, and then it just drove it down. They couldn't really make any new highs. Turned around at that HVA edge again that was drawn yesterday. Set in some new lows. There was plenty of opportunity in the morning, but then as the afternoon started kicking in, it got real slow. Even though we had good response at these levels, we've been there so many times. Is it really worth trading it again and again and again? And you can only hit a wall so much with a car before it tumbles over, right? So with that being said, they did eventually come back and make new lows again for the day, hitting that HVA edge and it holding, so twice there, ultimately recovering to where we are now, but we are net down as to where we were in the close from the day prior. Similar story in the NASDAQ, but as far as the NASDAQ goes, scroll this back, we did open inside the range. There's the range low from the day prior, and we just went south rather than sideways like the ES, and that's due to where we opened. As far as that goes, we did find support. They did have a tented run up, stimulated with that news volatility, and then the 10 o'clock news volatility just all over the place, driving it down further, just a little bit more of a bearish sentiment on the day, but hitting those HVA edges for potential opportunities for the students in our rooms. If you are interested in seeing those entries the students take, watch the student trade reviews that are done for this methodology by Patrick Assalone. Again, you can see the response at these HVA edges, and remember they are drawn the night before, but sentiment on the day, bearish day, a little bit consolidated. Nonetheless, plenty of opportunities for entries. Our motto is less is more. You don't have to be currently and actively trading. The idea is to sit back, be patient, and wait for those opportunities to set up, and then execute according to the method. And then implementing the lessons that we teach in the room via money management and how to actively protect your assets in that regard. So overtrading is a thing. It's not something that we advocate. We want everyone to be profitable. But again, each their own. We can't force you to be profitable. You have to put in the work. You have to be disciplined. It is all up to the student. If you'd like to learn more information about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts the night before, or if you'd like to learn how to do our methodology feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. Get in touch with the consultant at either location. They'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. Look forward to seeing you there.